Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Border District jongka East Khasi Hills. Haga jinga Pynlong but ki Shipai Air Force lingba ka recruitment cell. Heniga singi ki Pynlong ya ka awareness program but ka career counseling nagbenta ki Samla Khasi ki Thrang bandong Shipai. Habekran mat kinong tho khubor u Vini Kumar Wei na ki Shipai ubadan benta ban pensngo tho iki Samla ulaong ka thong jongka Air Force kalong ban aikam iki Samla jongkari khamtam iki Samla jong ka Meghalaya. Ka jing pendung kam kan sedang nadu yakiba kharnyo snam shiteng hadu arpo arsnam hakaba nadu ka class 8 hadu class 12 kini ki samla ki bayo rung kam kinyo shibun ki jingmentoy ki samla jong ka Meghalaya ki diban wan shakmat banong Shipai ka jing register kala play bat kandang beteng hadu ka shitari uyayong arhajar arpo henrio shu ule tho bakidon bon ki benta banyakhon yiki kam Shipai nadu ka class 8 ka benta ka bede bat ka agniver bat ka class 12 ka de ka technical ki donru ki wei kumi ki samla kan thei bat ki nursing assistant shu le tho bai ki samla kan thei ki Thrang banlong Shipai ki de ban register yala de bat ka office ka badan hanong ba Shillong kan a Jinghikai nakaliang ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills habe kran mat kinong tho khubor kale tho bai ki ka recruitment drive la Pynlong mana usnam bat lasdang ya kani ha usnam arja arpulai bat nadu ka tuka por hadu menta kumba sans patam ki khana ki belayo rung hagatnat Shipai bat dangshan kumba lai patam ki layo rung hagatnat BSF shu kala ong baka district kadap daga jinkmen ban yu bagi khana ki lawan shakman ban trei na benta banyada yakari benta ka sngi ka de ka awareness hakba ki la register kumba khnai patam bat ki don ru ki kmi ki pa ki balawan sanran ka DC kala kitbok kityang ki samla ki balawan shakmat bat kintu ki weiru bakin mi shakmat ban penya so yalade namar kani kadi kalinti bakin yo ban aji shakri yakari hi baro kawai shu kare tho be ka rally nak benta ki kinthei kanlong haka ar phawdrik ulber nak benta ki shinrang kanlong haka ar phar tarik ulber arja ar phanrio kala kintu ki samla ban sapet yak website jongka district haka bakin yo shibun ki jingtep
lucrative job opportunities for the youth of our nation and particularly to state of Meghalaya. The recruitment age starts from 17.5 years to 22 years. It is one of the finest opportunities in which Army offers various types of entry from class 8, 10th and class 12th. Army with his pay and packages and Sevanidhi packages and various other facilities which is provided by the Army is considered to be one of the best in the amongst all the job opportunities. The youth of Meghalaya today must enroll and register themselves to become the Agniveer in the armed forces. The registration window is already open from 13th of February onwards and will remain open till 1st of April 2026. There are various types of entry in the army, that is class 8 entry as part of tradesman, class 10th entry as part of Agniveer's general duty and class 12th entry as part of technical entry. There are various other types of entry also like women military police and the nursing assistants. I will say a few words about the entry of women as a Agniveer in the army. Women military police provides a great job opportunity in the army for the girl candidates who is interested. So here I want to enhance the awareness about the girl candidates who want to join army as Agniveer women. They must apply and they must register themselves. Their age should be 17.5 years to 22 years. We in the recruiting office are based at the Shillong headquarters. We are always open for kind of guidance, the kind of awareness scheme which they want. Our office numbers and the email IDs are also displayed. They must register, they must go to Join Indian Army website. When they will open the website, they will find various types of entry, various types of eligibility criteria and register themselves. Army recruitment carries out in 3 phases. In phase 1, there is a registration process for which window is open till 1st April 2026. Second phase is the common entrance exam. For common entrance exam is likely to be conducted by last week of May / mid of June. So those who have registered, they must start preparing. There are mock tests already available in Join Indian Army website. Post conduct of common entrance exam, shortlisting and candidates are selected based on the merit, and then they are finally called for the rally. For the rally, they have to first appear for the run. 1.6 kilometer run is the mandatory, for which there are 4 groups. First group is 5 minutes 30 seconds. Second group, for I am talking about the male candidate, is 5 minutes 45 seconds. Third group is 6 minutes, and fourth group is 6 minutes 15 seconds. Similarly, for women candidate, this is 7 minutes 30 seconds and 7 minutes 45 seconds. So this is the first step, is the run. Second, we conduct the physical fitness test, in which they have to cross 9 feet ditch, chin-ups and zigzag. And then comes the physical measurement test. And lastly is the medical test. Completion of all this, then merit are prepared and joining letters are issued to the candidates who are selected. Once again, in the end, I want to spread the awareness by the youth of Meghalaya is that they must start the registration process, and registration window will remain open in the up till 1st April 2026. And the army, joining army as a Agniveer is one of the most noble, one of the most respected profession in the Indian army. Thank you very much. Here onwards and this year onwards, with the support of the district administration and the state administration and the office at Jedaro, Shillong and our headquarters Shillong, we have spread a lot of awareness, and people have started coming up and started registering to be as a Agniveer in the Indian Army. However, I still feel that there are certain remote districts, especially in Garo and Jaintia Hill. They are the people, the tribal people, and they are considered to be one of the strongest people among the fighter. They must come up. They must spread the awareness. District administration and the state administration and the army is taking a lot of efforts to spread the awareness among the youth, and they must join the army for their betterment of their family, betterment of their nation, state, and finally for this country. Again, I am telling, joining army as a Agniveer is one of the most noble profession one can think of. Army is the only profession in which they provide you job for class 8th also, for class 10th also, and for class 12th also. And not only the job, the kind of respect which the Agniveer as a soldier get when they come back to their village. Not only that, army has come out of various skill development courses also. Those Agniveers, after 4 years, they will get various reservations in the various government job. They will also get a Seva Nidhi package, a whole sum of money. They will become a disciplined soldier when they will come back. So I am again telling, army is one of the best opportunity to join as a Agniveer and become the pride of the nation.
Opportunity, especially for the students or candidates from the northeast region. We are conducting rallies at 2 places. One is in Mizoram, the other place at Shillong, and the rally venue will be Headquarter Eastern Air Command, Upper Shillong. The dates for the rally is on 20th for the girls and 22nd is for the boys. The objective behind bringing the rally here is to give them the opportunity, and they no need to go through the process of registration and going for the online exams. So it is the best opportunity. The people in and around in Meghalaya, in Assam, in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim can attend the rally at Shillong, and people from Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland and Mizoram can attend the rally in Mizoram, which is going to take place from 9th of March. So here it is going to be on 20th for the girls and 22nd is for the boys.
How do you connect with the district administration?
Sir, we are getting full support from the DC and the ADC and from the state authorities, as well as from the Jilla board also, and from the district employment agency also. They have given a wide publicity to all the districts and to all the colleges, and we are getting a lot of queries, and I am sure this rally will be a successful one and maximum number of people will turn out from it.
What is the criteria for the candidate who willing to do?
So this is just this rally is for the other than science category, that is the non-technical category. People who have completed their 10th plus 2 with aggregate of 50% marks and 50% in English are eligible for this rally, and their age should be between 17.5 years to 21 years. The detailed age bracket is given or is already given in the notification. Undergo a physical fitness test initially, followed by the physical fitness too. And if they clear in both the things, then they go for the written exam on the first day. The post written exam, if they clear in the written exam, then they are called on the second day, which is called as adaptability test 1. And in adaptability test 1, if they clear, they go for adaptability test 2, and in that also if they clear, they are given the medical appointment, and later an all India merit list is prepared, and they are given the call letter. Meghalaya have a huge potential. They are basically their civil sense is high. Their discipline is always in civil areas is very good, but the opportunity and awareness is still lacking. So that is why we have been our objective is to go to all the districts in the northeast and tell about the opportunities they have in joining Agniveer Vayu in Indian Air Force. Air Force is waiting for you. Air Force needs people from northeast. Please come and join. We want people who are very honest, upright and sincere and hardworking, and northeast people have all these qualities, and Air Force is inviting them to join.
What is your god name?
I am Wing Commander Murli. I am the CEO 11 Airman Selection Center, Guwahati.
Ikani ka program kalong man laka sinem ban na kaling ka district administration ngila sedang ikani na do arhajar pulai badak na do ko to ko por do menta ngila yo kumba sanspa tam ki khana ki bla join ya ka army na ka agniveer but men hakane lai spangut ki join ya ka BSF tikane kalong ka ek jing kemen nam ta ka district hibro ko wai na marba ki yate baro ba kajing kerdo kam ki khana but kabakordor hi kalong ba namar ba ki khana jungi kilawan chakmat ban shim benta ban surf ya condition lane ban train nam ta ka jing ada jong gari kani kalong ke ek bas mutanat haga jing em janga haga jing sngo janga hi shimet namar ba ngasngo bangi bar khai ki long kami ngi ong ba ngi ai kata Jinghikai ki kon mo service to God service to man kan no ka jing ka kam bangi le nam tau ble ngi le leng ba ki brio kata kalong ke ka ba bahatam nam ta jongi ban ngi kit bok kit riwang ba ngi nang nakani ka training badan mentang singiru kedika awareness mentang singi ba kila register kena spa atam ki kena jongi hindre namar babun ki daw kalong ba ki dan exam ngatarai ki wan de ki kemi hangning ibu na ki kemi ki bawan pila ban kren ki ru ke iba Pynlong ki ban wan te ngi shem ba kalong ke ka kam ka bokordor ba mencu ong no mo ki ni ki Shipai ki badan hang hakari ka jongi kalong ba de nam ta jongki bangi ngi yo banya thia sup men met ni tip bangi dan ka jing sngan de na kata kada ngi penslori ki khana ban join ni ki Agniveer nang ta ki don ki bon ha ki jing men toy ki bonus ki baki yo ki la patai I mean kat long shisha ke ek bakordor bhai ki khana jongi ban shim ne ka buksiar ban join ye ne ka kam Agniveer ne Vayu teman mentah kasih dan ya ka kini Vayu kini di Air Force but kumjur ya ki Indian Army dengan kermen ngin yo pun ki kena ngin ka district jengi ki ban join ye kan ka dan hakani kumba sanspa tam spa chiteng kide na ka Agniveer but lai spa ti kena hingatip kide na ka BSF setelah ira bahaba so aku mga omeneng penslur ya baru na Samla giban sim ya kani kalat yo kam na marka desya ka mementoy bahai simet kadang kawan rai disiplin ka buram ka jing hendak ken mau kumno ba ini ai ka buram ya I ba ka pat nong dum ha ka tu ka por ka kam ka ban islam ka jing mentoy ka bayo ya I simet bat ya ka yang kesem ka jong I hadu menta meneru kidang bun ki jing mentoy bekiyo but kani hingi kwa ba penslur kena jani da ka ba join ya kani ka kam nang bakila ban wan rai kata ka jing ka ba ni kong ya ka diga jing mento ya ki simet ni ka ba ar de ka long nam ka bi yang sem jong ki but bakodot ka de nam ta ka ri
kari jami dari India ba
Lalu
ya ka Indian ya ka ni ka Indian Air Force nam tagi kan thai ka rally kan long arko tarik March bat ya ki Thrang arko tarik March hang tei hapo isin ekaman official
mungkin
ngan request ya barkai ci sabai kan ya ka district website ka jami hang tu dan barkai detail ngin sabo ik presentation maybe siben la shay ni namangin hab ka drong ha so ngin bu hapo kayu ka website jing sababan ya pe ha kanang ba piyo kata ka jing snok to ka bakam ya tang ila ban ne ko ipod la long bakam linkon nomor ba arko tarik ka dai te ni kwa hiban la da ki pe ye ka website kan kam ba nang tang bala da ni hapo isno ngin persen ngin